to my channel, Marlowe Learns Nails. I am Marlowe and I'm just a girl who had to learn how to do her own nails, found out I wasn't half bad, and now I'm kind of obsessed. Film an intro? Why gotta film an intro? I can't just do the nails? I gotta talk to the people? Chat? Okay, I guess. On my channel, I'll be documenting my journey on learning just about anything and everything nail related. I'll be doing gel X, learning acrylic, unboxings, product swatches, nail art. If it's nail related, I'm probably gonna try it. But what even is that? I ain't never even heard of that before. I don't know how to do that. But please remember, I'm no professional. You won't find perfection on this channel, but you will find progress. I mean, like, I'm not trash. I mean, I'm not basura, you know, I got little skill. I got little something, you know what I'm trying to child. So let's learn and grow together. Let me make all the mistakes so you don't have to. And I'm so happy to have you on this journey with me. Okay, but when do we get to the nails? Like, they don't want to hear me talk no more. I just came here to do nails. Content creation is hard and I'm hungry.